Look here, Victor, the negotiator, the silver tongue bastard, and he is all ready to go to bench.
With a Kana. But here we go. There's going to be a separate vlog. And this is where it starts.
This is where it starts.
I'ma kick back when you fake like. I'ma kick back when you fake like.
हमारा बस छूट रहा है, हम लोग भाग रहे हैं. बस किधर है ढूंढने?
No, I couldn't get your chutney because when we got down over here, I slipped and the chutney fell out of the skin.
That is the most heartbreaking news I've ever. Only 7 wild dogs can cure me now.
I'ma kick back when you fake like.
Arya, I was stabbing so many people. There were a bunch of ladies trying to hit me over there. I was like, no, bhai.
First time in a bus.
Yes.
For 1 and 2.
First time in Lalpari. And said Bomji to the ladies, they backed off.
I'ma kick back when you fake like. I'ma kick back when you fake like. I'ma kick back when you fake like. Head out of the game, I don't play that play.
We have reached Pauni.
The last stop before.
Maharashtra Madhya Pradesh border.
How was your experience of Incredible India?
Crazy है. अरे what हो रही हो? This is my injury
Achha, now
from my FP bus trip.
I'ma kick back when you fake like. I'ma kick back when you fake like. I'ma kick back when you fake like. Head out of the game, I don't play that.
Why do you want to see a dhol?
So Ishan has graciously offered to pay for one of the safari's price. He'll cover the whole cost if we spot a dhol, which is a Indian wild dog, a dingo cattle. It looks a lot like a fox. Jackal is actually greyish in color from what I saw. Indian jackal, and this dhol dog has brownish, orange brownish coat, which looks a lot like a fox. The condition is on a safari, if we spot one for 3 minutes or more than 3 for 30 seconds, then Ishan covers the safari price. So I don't care about any tigers, I don't care about any birds, whatever. All I care about is dhol. So another caveat, another plus point actually. Aaron has offered to pay if we find a peacock spider. So he'll pay for the second safari tomorrow morning. He has shown us what it looks like. He said he'll cover for the safari. He'll pay for everyone.
Money to spend. I am poor. I have not offered anything.
Yes, he did.
I'ma kick back when you fake like. I'ma kick back when you fake like. I'ma kick back when you fake like. Head out of the game, I don't play that.
Sanskar, do this. Take rooms. Whoever's the same by default goes in only. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. So you two are in one room and you're with them. Alright.
This is the washroom.
So I was waiting here to pay, and I want you to guess what I saw inside.
Take the
I'm not taking your guess.
So my guess is a big doo-doo.
My guess is a snake.
A snake and a doo-doo.
What?
No. I'm just sitting on your options. Any more options? Wait. Any more options?
Spider, big as spider.
Wait.
Big insect or an animal also.
Any more?
A shark.
Shark. Arey. What tiny little things you see in the forest?
Insects only.
Insect. Some
Bigger.
kind of an.
What feeds on insects?
In birds.
No.
Bird.
No.
Like an animal.
Snake.
What has a long tongue?
Snake.
What hops?
Frog.
Yeah.
Frog.
Frog.
No.
The fuck is... You so much of suspense for a frog.
Just that.
Yeah, little buddy. What you're currently seeing
You disturbed them.
are 2 butterflies, but there is a very prominent difference in both of them. I think they are from a different caste.
Let them do their thing in silence.
Let's go get the frog out.
Wait.
Intercaste marriages are still not common in butterflies. One's obviously a lower class, sporting less color than the female, who seems to have much more attractive plumage. No! No!
He went in.
No! That's not your home!
Wait, should I flush?
Okay, flush.
Oh shit!
No! Okay, he lives. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yes. Don't go in the cleft, please.
पीछे से push कर.
I am pushing him from the back.
That's what she's.
Okay.
Come on. On the branch. Good boy. Just don't jump out of the block. Slowly, steadily.
थोड़ा
Are you vlogging this?
हाँ
Guys. Ishan.
Hey, don't make him jump to his death here, huh?
No, I'll let him down gently on a tree. Ishan. Never mind.
Yeah, but Karthik, no, come down, Karthik, no.
The whole point of us being vets is being as benevolent and loving as we can be to animals. Go on, buddy. He's grabbing. He's not letting him go.
Keep the stick with him. Arey, poor fellow is almost flushed to death.
I'm sorry about
Probably traumatized.
that. He grabbed onto the stick.
Dog only has videos, no audios only. They're not talking.
The gang is going.
Vlogging the vlog.
Where is the gang going? To see some
Wild dogs.
Hole.
You see how it goes. Yeah, post safari one.
Best experience.
Yeah, what is everyone's thoughts? Happy?
जो चीज देखना था
वो
वो दिखा नहीं, लेकिन कल दिखेगा. Manifesting it.
What are your thoughts, sir?
I loved it. I am not disappointed that we didn't see any big carnivores.
I am, but I'm also happy we went.
For my first safari, I'm not disappointed
Okay.
because the whole thing experience of it feels much better.
Nice.
I'd love for it. I'd live for it.
Views after absolutely demolishing a dinner post safari, and now we're having some lovely gulab jams.
Yeah.
Look at him absolutely demolishing a gulab jam.
और एक
I was
लेने
not
आना.
going to have one, but look at his happy face after having one now. Karthik has domesticated a feline from Pench. Unfortunately, it wasn't the feline we expected. Maybe better luck tomorrow, Karthik.
They are also like big cats only. I'm telling you, Peanut also gets ready at dawn and dusk. She wakes my mom up at 6 o'clock only.
King Dani.
So this is vlogs in bench. We have a bat and we're trying to get him out, and Ishan is I don't know what, and the Sumit. I'm just scared. Arey yaar, this bat is just Arey yay. Yes. Let's go.
Night time vlog is crazy. Early morning.
Showtime.
And that's it.
We are going to Sulari Gate. Night time photos तो नहीं आएंगे, but thrill उससे ज़्यादा है. To go to Sulari. This is the Sulari spot. We are there. Guys, how was the safari? Morning safari.
Safari, I'm 800 rupees richer.
ईशान काय बघितलं आपण काय बघितलं
वर्थ इट.
बघितलं काय आपण
Yesterday was
काय बघितलं काय नाही बघितलं आपण.
लेपर्ड नाही बघितलं.
नाही बघितलं.
लोकल कुत्रे तर भरपूर बघितले पण बेंच ट्रिप इज has come to an end. This guy is sleeping. रैंडम ट्रैवल्स में हम लोग नॉन स्टॉप नागपुर जा रहे हैं अभी. So far so good. We saw those, we saw a tiger, we saw horse, we saw peacock, jackal देखा jackal.
पहन के फूल खिला है फूल खिला है अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है फूल खिला है जंगल जंगल पता चला है चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है.
I'm gonna purpose put Aaron tonight. The Dark Knight Rises.
Definitely. Oh no, man is rising too.